today's topic is median. So first of all, what is median? Median of ungrouped data. If the observation of an ungrouped data are arranged in increasing or decreasing order of their magnitude, a value which divides this ordered observation into two equal parts is called the median of the data, and it is denoted by m. If the number of observations n is an odd integer, then median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. If the number of observation n is an even integer, then median is equal to value of n by 2th observation plus value of n plus 1 by 2th observations whole divided by 2. Next is an example. Find the median of the following observation. The numbers are 4, 6, 8, 5, 7, 8 and 9. First we arrange the number in ascending order. The orders are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 9. Here the number of observations is n is equal to 7 is odd. So median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. So value of 7 plus 1 by 2th observation as n is equal to 7. So median is equal to 7, that is value of 4th observation. Again we have to note that the median divides the data into a lower half and a upper half. Now median for group data. In a group distribution, values are associated with frequencies. Grouping can be in the form of a discrete frequency distribution or a continuous frequency distribution. Whatever may be the type of distribution, cumulative frequencies have to be calculated to know the total number of items. Now we have to know that what is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of each class is the sum of the frequency of the class and the frequency of the previous class. That is adding the frequencies successively so that the last cumulative frequency gives the total number of items. Next is how to find the median for discrete series. So the steps are find cumulative frequencies. First step. Next is find n plus 1 by 2. Here n is the total number of observations. And next step is see the cumulative frequency, the value just greater than n plus 1 by 2, and corresponding value of x is the median. Here is an example. Find the median of the following distribution, frequency distribution. Values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The frequencies are 3, 8, 12, 17, 26, 18, 9, 3 and 1. So the values are 1 to 9 and the corresponding frequency are 3, 8, 12, 17, 26, 18, 9, 3 and 1. So the cumulative frequencies are, how can we find cumulative frequency? 3 and next is 3 plus 8, that is 11, and next is 11 plus 12, that is 23. Next is 23 plus 17, that is 40. Next is 40 plus 26, that is 66. Next is 66 plus 18, that is 84. Next is 84 plus 9, that is 93. Next is 93 plus 3, that is 96. And last one is 96 plus 1, that is 97. So n is equal to 97. This is the total frequency. So the steps are clearly the total frequency n is equal to 97 and the values are arranged in ascending order of magnitude. Median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th position is equal to 97 plus 1 by 2th position is equal to 49th position. From the last column of the above table, we see that the cumulative frequency just greater than 49 is 66 and the value corresponding to cumulative frequency 66 is 5. So the required median is 5. Now for continuous series. The steps given below are followed for the calculation of median in continuous series. First step is find cumulative frequencies. Next find n by 2. N is the total number of frequencies. Next find cumulative frequency, the value first greater than n by 2. Then corresponding class interval is called the median class. Then apply the following formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C by F into I, where L is equal to lower limit of the median class, C is equal to cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class, I is equal to width of the median class, F is equal to frequency of the median class, N is equal to total frequency. Here is a problem. Find the median of the following frequency distribution in the following table. This is an example for group frequency distribution in continuous series. Monthly incomers are 60 to 80. Next is 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140 and 140 to 160. Corresponding frequencies are 22, 38, 45, 35, 20. So the incomes are 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140 and 140 to 160, and the corresponding frequencies are 22, 38, 45, 35, 20 and 160. And so the corresponding cumulative frequencies are 22 plus 22, next is 22 plus 38, that is 60, next is 60 plus 45, 105, next is 105 plus 35, that is 140, next is 140 plus 20, 160. So total frequency is 160. Now we have to find n by 2, that is 160 by 2 is equal to 80. From the last column above tail, we see that the cumulative frequency just greater than 80 is 105, and the corresponding frequency is 45, and the class interval is 100 to 120. So the median class is 100 to 120. Now we use the formula. What is the formula? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C by F into I, where L is equal to lower class boundary of the median class. Here is 100. C is equal to cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. Is equal to 60. Here is 60. F is equal to frequency of the median class is 45. I is equal to width of the median class is equal to 20. Therefore, median is equal to 100 plus 80 minus 60 by 45 into 20. So, is equal to 100 plus 20 into 20 by 45 is equal to 100 plus 8.89, that is equal to 108.89. This is the median of the group frequency distribution for continuous series. So thank you for patience. Thank you all.